Hello, here's a tutorial how to light wood with the Luftleiter. First of all, in the winter time, I hold the Luftleiter in the chimney for maybe 20 seconds or something to get the draft going. Then I take a piece of paper, crumble it, put it in between the logs and touch the paper. Pull it away when it starts burning and continue towards the same spot. And that's all. Thank you.